If I told you this AI story is not about technology, it's about control, would you believe me? This is the latest tech news this week. It's not about new features, it's about power. And once you see this system, you'll understand why the EU stepped in and why creators are getting screwed without even noticing. Here are the facts. The EU opened an antitrust probe into how Google uses online content to train AI models. That content includes news articles, blogs, public websites. No ruling yet. This is about market power. Picture this: you write an article, it ranks on Google. Google reads it, trains AI on it, then answers the question without sending traffic back. Your work trained the system. Your clicks are gone. Here's the loop: control search, extract content, replace clicks, visibility, extraction, replacement. Same shit, new interface. This is not about banning AI. The EU is asking, can one company control distribution, use that dominance to train AI, then keep users inside its ecosystem, while creators lose revenue, lose leverage, lose oxygen? This is not innovation, it's consolidation. And once consolidation sets in, it does not reverse on its own. So, if I told you this whole story isn't about AI fear, it's about who owns knowledge and who quietly gets cut out, would you hear it differently now?